For all those of you who hate wearing a helmet while riding your bike, soon you may be forced to do so if you want your bike to move. Bengaluru boys, in support with the Bangalore Traffic Police, have come up with an innovation that makes your helmet the key to start your bike. Confused? Then watch this.
Indian roads are prone to accidents. It is quite alarming to see the number of people who die of head injuries each day. Not learning from it, a large number of people still hate wearing their helmets. The police have made helmets a compulsion, but in vain. At a time like this, an invention by a few Bengaluru boys seems like the only ray of hope. A helmet that replaces the key to your bike. Yes, you heard it right. Only if you wear the helmet will your bike be able to move. A technology that will mend all those stubborn people who refuse to wear their helmets.
The one rule the traffic police in the country has imposed on two-wheelers is to wear a helmet. But time and again, all two-wheeler riders somehow evade that law and try riding their bikes without a helmet. But one invention, one innovation created by a few youngsters in the city will break this law. How? Let's ask the guy here. You have an innovation that could be path-breaking and very, very helpful to the traffic police, forcing people, riders to wear helmets. What is that innovation all about?
Yeah, so if you didn't wear the helmet, the bike won't start. So no helmet, no ride. That's the whole concept.
So you're saying your technology is you put in your helmet, only then your bike will start.
Yeah, otherwise
no way. How is that possible, man?
Just see, maybe you should see that.
Okay, show me. How does that work? All right, so you don't wear a helmet, your bike won't start. You wear a helmet, only then your bike will start. Wow, that's quite amazing if it really works. Okay. Yeah. No way. I mean, do you have like a secret button or something here?
Nothing.
No?
Nothing. See now
How's that possible? Okay, take it off.
And it's off.
Whoa. Did you just see that? I'm witness to this. It's quite amazing. Okay, do it again. Wow. Okay, take it off. No way. How? Tell me about it. I mean, okay, you know what? Just to make sure that our audience don't think that you're cheating us, keep both your hands off on your helmet. Put your helmet on. I'd like my camera to pan at the bike. No buttons pressed anywhere. Let's see if it turns on. Okay. My God! How is that possible? How is that possible? Okay. Vincy, come on. Take off your helmet and tell me about this fabulous creation of yours. Quite amazing.
This we are working on this for almost 5 years, and we tried a lot of technology, and finally myself and Ramanan and Ashwin, 3 people worked on the project for closely.
Okay.
And my Junu Simon was a main person to make it feasible, like taking to traffic police. This is all about a chip. Already it's inside. Okay.
Okay, so the chip is inside the helmet?
Yeah, inside the helmet.
Does it work on sensor?
Yeah, it works on sensor. Okay. And another relay will be in the bike. So when you wear the helmet, so the helmet will detect a human head. Then it starts. For example, if you put a mannequin or something inside, it won't start.
How is that possible? Well, isn't it just the shape of the head that it'll...
It detects, okay, for example, mannequin also, it's like a shape of a head, okay, but it won't start. Because plastic, human is a conductive element. So it knows, okay, he is a human. Then only it starts. So we can do a lot of stuff like GPS you can attach. See, for example, if somebody takes the helmet or the bike, easily you can track them also.
Okay.
So you can reduce theft also. You can't do anything. And
You're saying you can also install a GPS, device inside with the chip.
So that nobody can, if people take it off also, you can easily trace them and find them where they're going, and easily can get the bike also. See, for example, even the pillion riders also there, so they also should wear the helmet. So what we can do is we can put a pressure sensor or something. So when they wear helmet only, the bike will start.
Okay.
So we can do lot of possibilities. This is a starting stage, okay, of this thing. It's very manufacturable right now.
So you're saying what if I wear the helmet while I'm not sitting on the bike? Will the bike start?
Yeah, of course. Right now it will start. Right now.
If I'm not sitting on the bike and I just wear the helmet, the bike starts.
That's no problem.
Isn't that dangerous?
No, it won't be dangerous. For example, right now I'll put in neutral. Okay, I mean, first gear. First gear. Okay. See, now it's gear. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm putting. Okay. It's supposed to jump. No. Huh? It didn't start. Okay. But when I press the press, it starts.
So even if it's not in neutral, the bike even if you're putting your helmet, the bike won't jerk or jump.
Yeah, nothing.
Okay.
It won't do anything. So we tried lot of things. For example, people who have sometimes they'll put in mobile in their head and they will ride like this. So what we did is even if you put the helmet and when you do like this, no, automatically it goes slow and it won't run.
Oh,
So
you're saying if you have a phone in the helmet like that, your bike stops.
When
It'll
your
stop.
Head, yeah, when your head goes like tilt, no, so it can understand. Okay, this guy is talking, so it can off. That's all.
Oh, this is absolutely amazing because we all know I have probably done it back in the days, but we all know how many riders stuff a phone inside their helmet and talk while at the same time riding. So this invention also allows the bike to switch off if at all your head is tilting at any point in time while you're talking on the phone. A huge lifesaver there, isn't it?
Yes, of course. Of course, it'll change the whole. Technology, which will change people's life, lot of people's life. So that's why Bangalore Traffic Police is very when they help us a lot to make this feasible.
Yeah, so how did you go? Obviously, quite obviously and naturally, the Bangalore Traffic Police will adapt such a technology and impose it very soon to the public. Before that, the guy here is trying and making people aware of what this technology is all about. And just at that time, we happened to catch him. I'm glad at least we can tell our viewers what this whole thing's all about. Okay, now, how did you approach the Bangalore Traffic Police? What did they think of it? And you are making Bengaluru proud. Where else, other cities, states, you're going to be taking this technology to?
Right now, it's first time. Bangalore Traffic Police adapted the whole thing. They are planning to do it for their own Bangalore Traffic Police vehicle also soon. Then this will be like an open source where anybody, like all the manufacturers, anybody you can take the whole thing and make it like it's like a public service thing, nothing else.
Tell me one thing, is there any loophole to something like this? Like, will there be any time, see now your bike can't start, you're helpless. You can't be stranded anywhere just like that, right? What happens if your helmet does not work? It stops functioning. Can you anyway use the key to manually start the bike then?
No. Right now, you should not do that. See, helmet is a key. You're replacing a key with a helmet. Okay.
You're replacing a helmet with a key, but what if something happens to the helmet? Okay, what if water goes inside?
Nothing. It won't go inside and all. Water won't go inside.
Okay.
Nothing will happen. Almost I've tried in all the climatic conditions. Okay, in rain or nothing will happen.
Okay.
It's simple things are inside the helmet. I don't think so. Nothing will happen right now. And if you lose, people will ask, okay, if you lose your helmet, what will happen? If you lose your key, what will happen? The same thing. You can't ride, no. Even if you lose your key.
But
like
if I lose my key, I'll have a spare key, no?
Of course, you will get a spare helmet. When you're buying the thing, you will get a spare helmet. 2 helmets you will get. So one helmet you will keep it in your house, and if anything goes wrong, you should bring your whole helmet, and you can do. And you can track also if you want the whole helmet. Yeah.
Okay, so what is the function of and usage of the key that you've placed here? There's no use.
Maybe right now it's a double safety. Double safety. Maybe I need 2 things to start a bike, so it's a double safety. Right now we did it.
Okay.
But if you don't want, you can disconnect the whole thing.
Oh, so you're saying if I don't want the key, I can disconnect the whole mechanism of a key and just place the key in your helmet in the form of the chip.
This is another key actually. Okay, for example, this is the key. Okay, and you can't start the bike unless you have a helmet. So you have a second key. You can say it like that also. It's a double safety.
This invention's on a geared bike. Can this chip be installed in any bike, like a non-geared bike, like a normal kinetic or a normal two-wheeler?
Yeah, any bike. It can be a kinetic or scooty or any girl bike also. It can fit to anything. It's a simple technology. It can be fitted in anything. Nothing like that. It's high end. Nothing like that.
Wow, I'm very impressed. Now, obviously, our audience would like to know what's the price and where is it available? How are you going to make it available to people?
Right now, it's a public. I mean, it's like what is it? It's a awareness we are doing right now. So once people, I mean, right now, Bangalore Traffic Police is there. Anybody will one day in future, all the manufacturers will do this. And if you do a manufacturable thing, no, then it will be less than 200, 300, 200 rupees, I think so. It will be very, very cheaper.
Okay.
That's it.
I'm in love with this, you know. I'm going to be your first customer for sure. For sure. You know what, guys? News9 give this initiative a big thumbs up only because it brings in safety, enforces a helmet rule, making sure people are forced to wear a helmet because otherwise your bike won't start. So we give you a big thumbs up, With camera person Abu Bakar Siddiqui, this is Nabila for News9 Bengaluru. And meanwhile, I'm going to take a ride on this bike.